It's been 3 years since I started my DIY journey and transformed my house one space at a time. And it's crazy to look back now and how some of these rooms looked before making them over. It's a home I honestly don't even recognize from when we first bought it over 7 years ago. It used to be so dark, outdated, uninviting, but of course, obviously, it had its charm. When I first started this channel in these makeovers, I had no idea what I was doing. It's been a great test of my patience, skills, creativity, and willingness to push through rough times. Many mistakes have been made, but it's never stopped me. I've learned so much along the way, and there's still so many projects yet to do, and so much more that I still want to do. One of the most recent updates I've added to our home is this Kwikset Halo Select smart lock. These days, a home truly doesn't feel updated unless even the smallest details are upgraded. That's why I'm excited to partner with Kwikset, not only to add that extra touch to my home, but also to bring in the security I need to feel safe in the space I've worked so hard to create. Because the little details make all the difference. To get the instructions on your phone, all you have to do is scan the QR printed on the box, download the app, and after creating an account, you're able to select which device you're wanting to install, and the instructions come right up. You have a choice of a PDF file or the interactive guide that I chose to follow. Everything you need for your smart deadbolt comes in this one box. Everything is visibly labeled so you can see what steps require which box. Kwikset Halo Select is a smart lock that pairs and works with your other smart devices like Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Home so you can easily lock or unlock your doors hands free. It has a pretty neat feature of auto unlock where it automatically unlocks the door when you arrive home for an easy hands free entry. The installation process is made super easy with simple, easy to understand guided instructions right on your phone. All you need is a screwdriver and a few minutes. I was able to easily follow along with each step without confusion and install it all on my own with no help. The Wi Fi connectivity allows you to be able to control and monitor from anywhere with no hub required. You're able to share up to 250 temporary, scheduled, or permanent access codes with family and trusted guests. You can get instant notifications if the lock is tampered or invalid codes are entered, and even door status notifications. The screen does go black when not in use, but with light touch, you'll see the keypad pop up. Once the installation is complete, it's easy to follow the next steps to complete the pairing of the lock to your phone using Wi-Fi. Pressing the button on the left allows for the device to be found by your phone, and the pairing should begin shortly. It does take a few minutes to complete though, and it'll also require to update the firmware. I've replaced my old doorknob for a new, sleek black handle so my front door looks just as good as the rest of my house. If you're in the process or even thinking about transforming your home into a smart home, be sure to check out Kwikset's Halo Select Smart Locks. The design is sleek and modern that'll make any front entrance more appealing. Kwikset has been leading in home security since 1946, designing innovative locks with the highest quality and durability to keep your home safe. I'll leave a link down in the description of the Halo Select I installed today. I love y'all. Be kind, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.